So for each assembly, a theme is determined, and I'm going to keep my remarks extra short today. But the theme for this assembly is around a day that we are going to be celebrating in just a couple of weeks. On November 13th, we will celebrate World Kindness Day. World Kindness Day was launched in 1998 with a pledge to join together to build a kinder and more compassionate world. The goal of World Kindness Day is to highlight good deeds in the community by focusing on the positive power and the common thread of kindness which binds us. Now, we have a lot going on already. It's hard to believe that we're only 2 months into school, but in determining what event or what theme to choose, it seemed like this was a great choice to get us started for our very first assembly of the year, because kindness is at the heart of all that we do. It's what it should be. It is at the heart of our charge qualities, particularly focused on amiability and empathy. And it's very easy for us to get caught up in our own lives and forget about what others around us might need. But when we do stop and take the time to do something nice for others, it makes us feel good as well. This is part of why, since Scholars Academy was founded 20 years ago, we included a service requirement for all students. Because the act of service is an act of kindness. It's a way to connect us more deeply with our community and a way that develops our character and our confidence. It is a very big part of what it means to be a seawolf. So I wanted to take this opportunity as we prepare to celebrate World Kindness Day and we think about kindness, that we also think about how we can best serve others. Now, we do have a service requirement, but it is important that we don't just focus on tallying the number of hours, but look at the quality of that service. Determining how we're going to give back to the community, because it helps you develop your character, your skills. It develops your sense of self. So this is a perfect time, as we're starting the school year, for you to think about how you plan to complete those hours. Please feel free to go well beyond the number of hours that are required, but make sure the service that you're providing is meaningful. Think about its connection to kindness, and think about how you're able to, that act of giving back. I look forward to celebrating World Kindness Day together as a school community, and I urge us all to make the choice to spread kindness throughout the entire school year. After all, as quoted by Aesop, no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted.